I'm running out of breath, no air is in my chest. It's like I can't breathe again. We're having another fight, another sleepless night. It's like I cannot see the end. We're screaming on a daily basis while we keep on wasting something that was once so strong. I can't keep on faking, smiling around my friends when deep inside I feel so wrong. And can we fix this? Stop the screaming. I don't wanna have to feel the need to leave when there's no need in my addiction. It's you, it's you, it's you. We can do this, we'll get through this. I don't wanna keep crying, I don't wanna fight no more. I hate that I love you, I can't let you go. I can't. I try to forgive you, but you won't listen to a word I say. You're stubborn, you don't learn, but I still love you in every way. I won't fight you, baby, baby, I won't lie. And I will try my hardest to keep you in my life. Ooh, yeah. Subscribe.